Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Check your laptop OS and free space, then sign into or create a Microsoft account so Teams links to your identity. Next, download the official Teams installer for Windows or Mac OS from Microsoft's download area. Choose the full desktop installer for best features versus the web app. Once the download finishes, locate the installer in Downloads and double-click it to start. You want the installer running now, so the setup can create shortcuts and integrate with your OS immediately. Once the installer runs, follow the on-screen prompts and grant any permission requests so Teams can use your camera, microphone, and notifications. When prompted, sign in with your Microsoft account. This connects your calendar, contacts, and organization settings. Make choices about startup behavior. Allowing Teams to start with Windows or Mac OS saves a step later. After initial sign-in, Teams will download updates and sync settings. Let that complete so your chats, Teams, and files populate correctly. You'll be ready to test audio and video next. Finish by checking settings devices to test your camera, microphone, and speakers. Adjust input and output selections so calls work. Make sure Teams is updated via settings about check for updates. Many problems disappear after updating. If you hit errors, try simple fixes. Restart your laptop, sign out and back in, or clear the Teams cache. If that fails, reinstall the app. One key tip: confirm firewall or antivirus isn't blocking Teams. Temporarily disable and retest only if safe to do so.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.